So we got back late last night / early this morning from Kenda.
Like 2 in the morning.
Woo! Now we're back at FFM to try and do some stuff. Jay has welded up all the intercooler now, so that's all ready to go back in. Exhaust is all welded as well.
So now we're finally on the home stretch where we can start to put stuff in the car for real.
And look, this is a perfect place that you want to be, what, 2.5 weeks out from an event.
2.5 weeks out from the event.
And seems to be a very, very, very empty hole there.
Yeah, a whole lot of nothing in the car. But yeah, it's most of the fab is done, so now it's a case we've just got to build the motor and put everything in the car, and then still got to wire it, still got to plumb it, and then yeah, we'll probably throw it on the dyno, I'm guessing, the night before road trip, and yeah, and then we'll trial by fire, should be straight into it. So anyway, we'll see how we go. At this stage, I think we'll get there, but it's going to be a big push, but I think we'll get there.
It's going to be tight.
Absolutely.
So Kai chucked in those lighter springs.
So we just finished up on the bump stops. We just had the tube of the diff just bare, and then we were going to wait till we got everything sat in there and see what it was going to do. I'm just using these 2 dead man stands here just to push the diff up until we've just got the tiniest amount of tyre clearance, and then I've just made the stops up so that they're going to contact when the tyre just has the tiniest bit of clearance, because if we did let it kept going up, I had to extend these by about 60 mil. The tyre obviously would have just fully bitten into the body. So that should mean that you can drive the car pretty normally, and the bump stops will catch it before the tyres eat the car.
Brakes.
Brakes, kind of important.
Very important.
If you go fast, you need to be able to slow down.
Just finishing up on the brake lines.
Yeah. Not looking too bad, eh? All new steel lines, new cylinders, new shoes, new drums, new flexi line. Nothing to see here. Look, the K-Series and the R151 fits in the car, but clutch changes would have been fun because it's a very tight squeeze, so we're just creating a little bit of clearance so it can come in and out easier.
Alright.
Transmission. Yeah, just putting some of the clutch bits together, make it all happen. Whole heap of mixture of random Toyota parts.
And hopefully it's going to work.
Hopefully. That sucker. Might need a different spring. Oh, look at that. Cool. The only big question is does look like it's going to.
It does look like it's going to work. If it doesn't, we can get it out of Brizzy anyway.
Yep, well, all that lines up. Looks like it's going to work. And that
excellent.
is good.
This has been one of the things that we've been sweating on the most.
Stressing.
Will the bell housing show up?
Will all the stuff line up and work? Does look like it's going to work, so that's excellent.
We like that.
Excellent. Cool. Well, we need to get a spring and we should be good to go. Alrighty, what is going on YouTube? So we are starting the engine reassembly procedure on the KRolla. I probably should have, I left these pistons up at Fingers Place, so I didn't actually have a look at them. I'm not actually having a good look at them until now. Probably should have got these like sonic cleaned or something. I'm not sure if you can see if I can get in the light. But these are the crustiest set of rings I've ever seen. I've been starting to clean the ring gaps out just with a broken ring, and I'm definitely regretting my decision because they are, I'm not sure I can get the focus on that, but they are so crusty. There are, yeah, lots and lots of carbon in there. Anyway, I'm in here, just got a broken ring. Just broke a ring and in there just digging carbon. Anyway, lots of fun to come. We'll be, hopefully we'll get this thing together this weekend. Just got the old Jambo live stream going on over there. So, where else would you be?
Ready to build motors?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Getting that pointy end, getting ready to wash her out. Oil, roger. Cool.
We just lubricated those.
Water fluid to clean it, it's lubricate and clean.
Under bondage.
Stuff is thick. It's thicker than a Snicker.
It says like a very thin layer. All Honda bonded?
Honda bonded.
Where's your paintbrush?
You know, paintbrush, bro.
Ain't no big time for that.
Yeah, you should push the seat in just a bit. Let's just give it a go. Alrighty, we've got cranks in, bottom of the box sealed up, piston squirters are in. Just give the bore a final wipe out and we'll start putting some pistons and rods in. The old, what we're dealing with here, the old max speeding rods.
Hopefully max speeding, hopefully not.
Yeah, hopefully maximum speeding and not maximum braking. Yeah. But we'll see how it goes, so only one way to find out.
Slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely, getting all the pistons back in the engine. Trying to keep the swarf out of the engine. We do have a nice plan room at our shop, but the car is here and
the engine is here, everything was here. It was far too much effort.
Cool. Little Rodneys. Well, they fit, so that's one good thing. One by cylinder head.
Nice and shiny.
Yeah, the boys down at Marucci Cylinder Head, Steve, got it all serviced up. Ready to go.
When they say girls like shiny things, this is what they mean, right?
This is what they mean? Yeah, exactly.
Ooh, shiny.
Bell springs. Alright, let's give it a wash.
Uh-oh.
Alright, what goes next?
Camshells?
Head studs.
Head studs?
We're good to hold the head on. Alrighty. You got a motor. A sun plug too. Damn.
A motor with way too many rods inside it.
G'day. What's going on?
Nothing.
Beep, beep.
Well, mine's really good. Sometimes when I get...
Where the fuck did that even go?
It went in here.
It went right down.
That'll up the compression.
Edit that.
Did you get
that?
Honestly, really.
We love dumb shit.
Dumb stuff, mate.
Dumb stuff.
No, Spencer. No.
Spencer.
Spencer. They will end up everywhere. Come on.